So in this video, we'll be showing you how to move large concrete slabs. And if it's not already obvious, we'll be using a wheelbarrow. When putting the slab onto the wheelbarrow, just make sure it's evenly distributed so it doesn't tip over to one side. Another point is when you're putting the wheelbarrow close to the area where you're going to drop down the slab, make sure you don't put the wheelbarrow too close so you have enough space to work with. And if you want to shift the slabs a little bit, just use a hammer basically, but make sure you use a piece of wood to protect the slab from being chipped.
Solid these are. They're better quality than the ones I'll be buying now. So that's what I got so far. The wood is actually warped itself, so this is dead on straight. Bit of an issue though. We all come across problems when we're doing hard work. Here's one of them.
So when placing the slabs on the floor, put one side on the floor and the other side just hold it until you can drop it when it's 2 inches away from the ground. When lifting heavy loads like this, make sure you take frequent breaks, because even at this point I think my camera got pretty tired too. Finally we got to the end on the last slab.
Okay.
Oh, and one way to bring the slabs together is to use a crowbar and pull on it.
The end part was actually quicker. I thought it would be a bit longer. This needs a good clean.